Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy Meta Chameleon game. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the first step is for you to access Steam. Go ahead, access Steam and make sure you have installed it for an easy access and for you to play Meta Chameleon once it's downloaded or bought later. Once you have installed the Steam, go ahead, get signed in. Once you are done signing in, you're going to go ahead, go to the search store and type in Meta or Chameleon. You will instantly get this particular option. This is the game. Once you have got the game, this is how the screen gonna look like. Over here you can find the preview of the game. You can check it out if you have never watched, never played, or if you don't know how to play, then you can check it out what you can look forward to once you have bought the game. We have uploaded how to play as well. Go ahead, check it out. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, scroll down, and here you will find the buy section. Tap on add to cart and then go ahead and complete your purchasing. Continue the purchasing option. You need to simply go ahead, continue to payment, and add your payment information. Once the game has been bought, you can access it easily on Steam and go ahead, start playing it. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.